Bisa ushuthe ngeyakho ivideo.
Asekona amafoni athi storage full. Ngipithiza ngikaze ngipithiza lesiyazizo singiluze ne. Yeyama kodwa bengizoyikhokha ekhaya kunemali.
Quality uyakwazi ukukhuluma
English. Oh, that's true.
Ha.
Okay, siyacala nje abasebenzayo.
Kunentombi yaseGermany engifuna ukukhulumisa nayo.
Abacula abaningi bezocubela.
Nah, equality, nah.
Marco.
How are you?
I'm very, very good. And you?
I'm nice. Where are you?
In Germany, at home, at my place.
Oh, Germany.
Yes.
What's the time that side?
Same time as in South Africa.
But why is it
It's still like,
midday?
because it's summer right now. It's not winter in South Africa. It's summer and it's getting dark by 9 or 10 p.m.
Oh, yes, my friend Quality.
Yes, you see this year, it's still not dark.
Hey, beautiful lady, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Yes, I'm good. It's Quality now. It's Quality.
You can talk English or not?
What?
Can you talk English?
We'll chat soon.
For sure.
Okay, say bye-bye to Quality.
Bye-bye. So are you recording music too? Is he recording music? Are you recording music right
Yes.
now?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I don't know you. What's your name
Check
again?
Quality on Instagram. Check Quality Biela.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So you are recording together with Big Zulu
With
or
Big Zulu, yes.
oh,
Well,
that's nice.